couple tools I don't want. I had doubles of. I bought this really cool extended reach 3/8 half-inch socket set. This thing is cool. It's 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 8. Also has 3/8 to half adapter and half to 3/8 adapter. So whatever size you need, you can use. The 19 and 18 and 17 and 16 and I believe the 15 are halves. And then the 14 through the 8 are 3/8. Really cool. Saw this extended reach set and I had to have it. So, not bad. Price was about $45, I think. All right.